Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, classmates. I'm Robar A. Santos reciting the poem To My Muse by Jose Rizal. To my muse.
Kung naman ate, kasarate may sa tatay.
The book no longer is the muse. The lyre is out of date. The poets is no longer used. The youth, its inspiration now in use, with other form and state. If today our fancies of verse would still require, elegance still remains unsought, and without it we but inquire. Why the coffee is not brewed? In the face of thought sincere, that our hearts may feel, we must seize a pen of his name, and with verse and lines severe, fling abroad a jest and ear. Muse, that in the past inspired me, and with songs of love aspired me. Go, now to dull repose. For today in sordid prose, I must earn the gold that hired me. Now must I ponder deep, meditate and struggle on. In sometimes I must fear, for he who loved would give. Great pain has undergone. Fled are the days of ease, the days of love's delight, when flowers still would bliss, and give to suffering souls surcease from pain and sorrow's blight. One by one they have passed on. All I love and move among, dead or married, from me gone. For all I place my heart upon, my faith and verse are stuck. Go who muse depart. Other regions may find. For my land but offers art, and for the laurel chains not bind. For a simple reasons flight, but before the witness speak, tell me with thy voice of will, those words ever promise seek, a song of sorrow for the weak, defiance to the tyrant's pride.